Interesting. Sunday, July 17th. It's been 1 month since we put these cuttings into the ground. I'll give you a quick update on our low water, low maintenance eventually ground cover. It's filling in quite nicely. Exactly 1 month today. Succulents are all looking good still. Have no problem. Hardly watered those at all. I've been keeping the cuttings kind of moist, especially during the heat of the day, just so they don't burn. But yeah, they're filling in nicely. We have some winter here. Most of these cuttings are from estate sales or garage sales. I don't think we bought one plant from the store. All various means. Just working with cuttings, that's what's good about succulents. Filling in nicely. Looking good, adventure seekers. Low cost, low water. Solution to the drought situation. It always seems to be a drought in California. Got the old Calico Junction look going here. Okay, stay tuned.